Market at least trading in the green, but very modest gains. What do you make of market activity in Ghana?
Well, currently we have a lot of low activity from the foreign front. You only see just about from the retail space. And this could be attributed to the fact that the current U.S. debt crisis is also affecting our market. So you have these NRS pulling out and also standing on the sidelines. And then we also realized that the month of August and September are kind of a holiday for most of the portfolio managers. So most of them are on holidays, and as such, this is impacting negatively on our market. And in fact, not only on the Ghana market, but you see across the Nigeria, the Kenya, and the Zambian market, you see some low activities all over.
All right, so low foreign participation on the Ghanaian market, also lots of price declines on the equity side. Is this a time for bargain hunters to come into the market? They haven't come into the Kenyan one.
Yeah, I believe so. I think this is the time they have to look at it, because you see a lot of price declines, mainly from the retail space. You know, last week we had about 10 price movements, about 7 of which were price declines, and these are mostly from the retail space. And what's happening is that we have schools that are about to reopen, so you have these guys trying to sell off to, you know, raise funds to pay off school fees. So most of them will sell at any price, and this is affecting the market to go in red.
Yeah, those school fees. Hey, now let's talk about the financials there, Hillary. They've underperformed to a large extent, and yet this is the index that really drives the market, the GSE financials. Just tell us about what's going on with the banks and when we'll see some sort of a revival.
We believe they will revive pretty soon, but that is not the only sector that is suffering. We think the consumer product is also suffering. Fan milk, for instance, the season is not the best for it, and also they are a little bit price sensitive. So immediately they increase their price, they tend to, you know, have a bit of a hit. The fan milk in January increased prices of their product, and that has affected the performance. And you can see the dwindling in the share price of fan milk. But that's not the only sector that is also underperforming. The insurance sector is also, however, picking up, because we have a compulsory for all commercial properties to boost up to insure their buildings. So you have that kind of business going up for us against the banks and then the consumer products.
Now, Hillary, there have been suggestions that companies in the oil and gas, mining, telecoms and cocoa sector should try to at least float about 25% of their entities on the market to try to boost the supply side of this market, because obviously we're not seeing new listings and you need some kind of dynamism in this market. What are your views?
Yeah, I believe it's in the right direction, because as you rightly pointed out, there are a few listings on the market, just about 37. And even out of the 37, you only have few being very active. So yes, it's in the right direction for these companies to list. However, you have to know that the quality of listing is also very critical. You can't just have any companies come to list. I mean, I don't think that will help much. Currently, when someone brings about 10 million Ghana cedi, what are you going to do with it? So we need the supply side to, you know, fill up the demand that comes with it. So the quality of listing is part of it. We need the likes of Barclays Bank to list, National Investment Bank, MTN, ADB. We all need them to list. And I think, yes, it's in the right direction. We need to fill the supply side of the market.